Hi, this is Sherry. Today, I will show you two methods to make a lovely root ball tea. Firstly, steam the roots in an electrical pressure pot. Surely you can use a normal pot to make it, but a pressure pot makes it easier, I think. Now I will show you how to make root balls at a high temperature with those moisture-sweet potatoes. Peel and smash the sweet potatoes as quick as possible to make sure that we can make it at a very high temperature. The sweet potatoes I'm making are very sweet, so I will mix them with tapioca directly and without sweeteners. Feel free if you want to add more sweeteners. The second method I will show you is gelatinization. It is suitable if you don't want to make it as soon as the root cooked. That means you can make it when the root are completely cooled down. Firstly, you need is smashing the taro, then mix and rub with the tapioca. The mixture cannot be like a dough since they cannot combine. But don't worry.Just boil a little bit of water, then make a room in the middle of the mixture, and make a little of the mixture gelatinized. Then we can make a dough. So, two different methods, both rely on the temperature and moisture. The tapioca flour cannot be combined at a low temperature with water.A successful gelatinization should be at a very high temperature and at a very good ratio of water versus tapioca flour. On the other hand, too much tapioca flour at a very high temperature will never make a smooth dough as well.All the root balls can be kept in the freezer until you want to make some root ball tea. I prefer warm water to make a very quick tea. Just do the balls with tea bag. It's very easy.When you see the balls float, you can serve the tea with milk and some condensed milk. Surely you can add any kind of sweeteners as honey or sugars. Just have a lovely warm drink in a cold, chilly winter in a cozy room. That is all I want to make in the winter. I'm Sherry. If you like my video, just thumbs up and leave a comment. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell. then you will not miss any news from my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.